question 2.2. Let's get started. Annexure C shows the layout of the Freestate Stadium. Sarah and 4 of her friends will watch the match between the Sharks and the Cheetahs in the Freestate Stadium. The stadium has B blocks and T blocks where spectators can sit. Sarah and 2 friends will sit in block 29, while the rest will sit in block T31. T blocks cost 125 rands per person and B blocks cost 140 rands per person. And there is 29 and T21, there it is. Remember, I said the first thing you look for is your north and your scale and your key. There's our north, and our north is slanted a little bit. Can you see that? It's like that. Which gate is closest to the block where Sarah's sit is? We go to the map. Remember, Sarah is sitting at B29. Let's go find B29. There's B29 over there. And the gate that's closest, this is close, but it's not as close as gate 8. So the answer is gate 8. Sarah calculates that it will cost 670 rands for her and her friends to watch the rugby match. Is Sarah correct? Do calculations to verify Sarah's statement. Now remember, I said do not read the question once. Give yourself a second time to get everything. So the only way for us to know is to go and calculate ourselves, and then we're going to compare our answer to Sarah's answer and state if it's correct or not. So first of all, how many of them? We need to know how many they are. It says that at the top, Sarah and 4 friends in different blocks, and we need to calculate according to where they're sitting. Sarah is saying the cost is 670 rands. This is what we need to verify, right? So there is 5 friends from here are seated at B block. 2 friends are seated at T21. 5 friends times 2, and then for the cost of the B block will be rands times 3, which is 420 rands. Calculate for the 2 friends separately and for the 3 friends, and then add the 2 because you said the whole amount of money. So then the answer there will be 670. So you see, she's right. So the last thing you say is she is correct. Why does this stadium have an alcohol-free area? There's an area that I say alcohol-free and there, which means alcohol is not allowed. 2.2.4, the stadium has a seating capacity of 46,000. Determine the average number of seats in each block. So first of all, in each and every question, you have to ask yourself, what are they asking for? In this one, they are asking for the average. What is an average? An average is the total of data divided by the total number of data, right? So if it was plus, you see that one? Yes. And then you count all the data and then you write divide by the number of data. That is the average they are asking for here. So now, where are we going to get the total and where are we going to get the total number of data? Remember that they said the stadium has a capacity. What is a capacity? A capacity is, for example, when you take a 20-liter bucket and fill it with water full, right to the top. That is the capacity of that bucket. It is capable. Capacity comes from the word capable of carrying right? A 20-liter bucket is capable of carrying 20 liters. So the capacity of a stadium, think of a stadium as a 20-liter bucket, and you took people and you just put them in. How many would you put in the stadium? 46,000. That is the total data.